Sir, halimbawa po, nakita po na magulang na meron na nga po nag-groom sa kanilang mga anak, meron na pong scamming na nangyayari or whatever po na illegal or nakakabahala po. Ano po yung mga first steps na pwedeng gawin po ng mga magulang? Are there even steps para po ma-report po itong mga groomers na to? Should they save the screenshot? Ano po yung proseso? Can you walk us through it?
Excuse me.
Okay. So I would give families 7 practical rules. I think number 1 is to know who your children are talking to. No? Hindi sapat na alam natin kung anong application ang ginagamit nila. No? So number 2, you keep accounts private by default for children. Okay? Self-explanatory. Number 3, never disclose unnecessary personal information. Home address mo, school schedule, location, phone number, or password. This is basic cybersecurity hygiene.
Oo.
Number 4, siguro, you use strong, unique password and multi-factor authentication. Doon sa device. No? Number 5, huwag kayong mag-accept lang automatically ng friend request. You know? Because I think the UNICEF data shows risky online connection remain a real issue among Filipino children kasi mababait yung mga bata mababait tayo no when we see na may nag-request ng friends we accept, di ba, something like that. So dapat matrain natin yung bata na wag laging automatically accept friend request, no. Number 6 ay siguro yung turuan natin yung bata yung rule, never send intimate photos.
Ayun.
Okay.
Oo.
Or agree to secrecy with somebody online. Kasi once ganun na yan, nagkaroon na ng secret chats yan, ay doon na mag-start yung grooming process, no? That eventually leads to radicalization, no? So, in number 7, create trust at home, no? Kapag may nangyari ang uncomfortable online, sabihin mo sa anak mo, sabihin mo sa amin, di ba? Hindi namin agad papagalitan kasi yung ibang parents kasi magagalit No, so mag-secret na yung bata. Yeah? So dapat open kayo sa isa't isa. Because once the child becomes afraid to tell the parent, the perpetrator gains leverage.
Ayan, yun na nga, vulnerable na nga.
Pero
Oo.
sir, ayun na nga po, that's the prevention. Paano po pag nakita nyo na nga po na meron na pong nangyayari? Ano po yung steps na pwede namin i-take as an adult?
Kunin mo ang cellphone.
Diba? Bukod doon, because that's the first instinct naman talaga. Pero halimbawa po, nandyan na. Does it matter po if you can take a screenshot, report it to authorities? Are there authorities that we can report it to? Meron pa po bang way para po mahuli po itong mga predators?
Yes. So, okay, that's the next step that I'm going to tell you. So, the next step is, if andyan na talaga yan, you failed in the prevention, andyan nahuli mo yung bata, you disconnect, di ba? And you report to the authorities.